Hello everyone. Let us start our next topic, that is operations on relations. In the previous video we have seen what are relations and some of the examples on the relations. In this video, so what are union operations, intersection operations on the relations we'll see. Given the relation R1 and R2 from the set A to a set B, the union of relation R1 and relation R2 denoted by, so R1 union R2. So union is denoted by capital U and is defined as a relation from A to B with the property that A comma B belongs to R1 union R2 if A comma B belongs to R1 or A comma B belongs to R2. So among the elements, either A comma B should belong to R1 and A comma B belongs to R2. So there is a OR operation will be there in the union. So in the similar way, if you see the intersection, there will be an AND operation and it is denoted by R1 intersection R2. Let's see the definition is defined as a relation from A to B with the property that A comma B belongs to R1 and R1 intersection R2 if A comma B belongs to R1 and, so as I told, AND operation will be there and A comma B belongs to R2. So this is about union and intersection of a relation and complement of a relation. Since a relation R from a set A to set B, the complement R, always a complement is denoted by R bar we say, is defined as a relation from A to B with the property that A comma B belongs to R bar if A is not related to B. If some of the elements are not present, so then we write that A comma B belongs to R bar. Okay, so that is called as a complement of a relation. Converse of a relation, given a relation R from set A to a set B, the converse of R denoted by R raised to C is called as a converse. It defined as a relation from B to A with the property that A comma belongs to converse of a relation if B comma A belongs to R. So if A comma B belongs to R raised to C, that is a converse. If B comma A belongs to R, if MR is a matrix of R, then MR raised to T is called as a transpose of MR is the matrix of converse of a relation. Always converse of a relation is denoted with R raised to C. And we have one property, that is R raised to C whole raised to C is equal to R. So this is a point to be noted in the converse of a relation. And whenever we see some of the examples, we'll get to know whenever we are solving some examples. Composition of a relation. Consider a relation R from set A to a set B and a relation S from set A to set C. Then the product of or the composition of R and S is the relation from set A to the set C. So this is set A, this is set B, and this is set C. Between A to B there is a relation R. Between B to C there is a there is a relation S, and there can be one more, that is ROS is nothing but elements of set A is related to set C. So that's what is there in the note section. Even uh, ROS is nothing but A comma C belongs to set A, C belongs to set C, and such that B belongs to capital B with A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to S. And will see in the example what is A R B B S C and how we come to know that how you calculate ROS even. And we'll have a problem. We'll see how this problem is solved. and with this some of the relation concept will be cleared. So here our set A consists of 4 elements, and let R be the relation on set A defined by x or y if y is equal to 2x. So this is our expression, and when first we'll have to form a relation. So how to form a relation? Next, what are the things to be considered? That is, first we need to uh, write down the R, draw the diagram of a R, determine the in degrees and out degrees. When we get R, then only we can do the remaining part. And how? See, when x is equal to 1, 1 at that time will our R will be, that is, we'll get y is equal to, when x is 1, y will be 2. Okay, and when x is 2, at that time our y will be 4, that is 2 into 2, that will be 4, y will be 4. When x is 3, when x is 3, 2 3 is 6, so we don't have in this our set. And when x is 4, when x is 4, our y will be 4 into 2 8, which is not there in our set A. So our R is x comma y belongs to A, x comma y belongs to R if y is equal to 2x. So we have substituted the x with the values 1 2 at that time, 1 2. So we got our relation. When we substituted x with 1, we got y with 2, and when we substituted x with 2, we got the second one, that is 2 comma 4. Okay, and so to draw the diagram of this, so we need to consider there are 4 elements in the set, 1 2 3 4. uh, Based on this, we have to draw the diagram. There is a direct edge from 1 to 2, 1 to 2 we have a relation, and 2 to 4. So this is our diagram, and we have one vertex, so which is nowhere concerned in this diagram, but still we have to draw this, and it is called as an isolated one. And we need to uh, draw the in degrees and out degrees in this. We need to draw the in degrees and out degrees and write the matrix of relation in degrees and out degree. So we have vertices 1 2 3 4, vertices 1 2 3 4 are written in degree of 1. So we don't have any in degree of this, any edge coming towards the 1, so that is 0. Out degree is there, that is it goes, one edge goes from 1 to 2, so that's why the out degree is 1. And for 2, the in degree is 1, because there is an edge from 1 to 2, so that's why 1 is written over here. And next, it has out degree also 1, and there is no in degree and out degree for 3, so that's why both are 0. We have one in degree for 4, and out degree no one, no out degrees other, so that's why it is a we call it as a in degrees and out degrees for vertices. And write down the matrix of R. So wherever we have the edges, so 1 to 1 we don't have any edge, so 1 to 2 we have, so that's why it is written as 1. 1 to 3 we don't have, 1 to 4 we don't have. Next we have 2 to 4, so 2 to 4 we have an edge, and we don't have any edge in coming or going from 3 to 4 or 4 to uh, any other vertex, so that's why all are kept as 0. And next we'll see another example. Let A is equal to 1 2 3 4 6, and R be the relation on A defined by A R B if A is multiple of B. So A should be multiple of B, means, so we have to consider here 1 2 4 6 a set. So in this, if you consider 1, one's multiples are 1 1 1, okay, and 1 2 Next, we have a multiples for this one. 1 1 1. We'll see the multiples of the relation uh, set A, that is 1 2 3 4 6. So which are all the multiples of 1 2 4 6? For 1 there is only 1 is will be the multiple. For 2, in the which all the tables 2 comes is, in a one table we get 2, that is 1 into 2 2, and 2 into 1 again we get 2, so that is 2 comma 2 is comes in the relation. And 3, 1 into 3 also will be 3, and 3 into 1, so that's why 3 comma 3. 4 1 4 2 4 4, and 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4. 6 you will get in 2 table, 3 table, and 6 into 1, that is 6. So that's why, so this is a multiple of b. So in this way, first you found out, you got the r. And what all the things you need to do here is draw the diagram of this. Once you got r, one needs to draw the diagram. So to draw the diagram, here is the diagram. We have 1 1, that's a self loop. Okay, next 2 1 is there, 2 1. Next 2 2, there is a loop. Next 3 1 is there, yes. 3 3 is there, there's a loop. Next 4 1, yes. 4 2 is there, yes, we have 4 2. And 4 4. 6 1, 6 2, 6 2 is there, yes, we have 6 2. 6 3 is there, yes, we have 6 3. And 6 6 is there. So this is our diagram. Next thing, what is asked in this, determine the in degrees and out degrees. So as we know, we have these vertices 1 2 3 4 6. In degrees of uh, 1 r, we have 1 2 3 4, and the self one 5 in degrees, and out degrees are only 1. Okay, and this is the only out degree. And for vertex 2, we have how many in degrees? This is 1, and 2 and 3, so there are 3. And out degree for 2 is 1 2, so there are 2. Next for 3, in degree is 1 2 are the in degrees of this, and out degree is 1, and this one. So for this 2 is the uh, 2 are the out degrees. For 4, in degree is only 1, that is itself, that is loop itself is also called as a 1 in degree, and it also called as an out degree also. Out degree of this 1 2 and one more we have. For 4 out degree is, yes, this is 3, 1 2 and 3. Okay, for 6 we have in degree with only 1, out degree 1 2 3 and 4. So these are the out degrees of 6. So by looking at this, we can have a matrix of this 1 2 3 4 6. 1 1 we have the loop, yes, we have. And 1 from that we don't have any edge. 1 2 1 we have, 3 1 we have, 4 1 we have, 6 1 we have. So that's why 2 2 we have a loop. Next 2 3 we don't have an edge. 2 4 we don't have an edge. 2 6 we don't have a edge. 3 2 3 2 we don't have an edge. 3 3 we have a loop, so that's why it is written as 1. 3 4 no. 3 6 no. Okay, and 4 2 we have an edge, yes. 4 3 we don't have an edge. 4 4 we have an edge, and 4 6 we don't have a edge. Next 6